Welcome to Alley Picked and today's quick tool tip. For today's quick tool tip, I want to show you 3 really cool angle grinding blades for your angle grinder. This is a curved carving disc. The diameter is 4.5 inches. It's made out of carbon steel, which is not as hard as carbide. It can be used for shaping and grinding hard and soft wood. This is a flat carving disc, same as the curved disc, only flat. It can be used for leveling or evening out wood. This is a speed cutter with 3 carbide tipped cutting heads. I do need to give you a warning if you're going to use these blades. Be careful. Of course, you need to be careful when using any tool, but especially these. These have very coarse teeth. They can remove a lot of material quickly. So if you're going to use them, you want to make sure that you're holding your tool firmly. And if you have a handle like this, all the better. These things have a tendency to bite the wood, grab the tool and jerk it in a direction you don't want it to go.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Great news! Alley Picked hats, just like mine, are available now for you to purchase. It's a high quality hat with a stitched logo on the front. Now, we're not making a lot of money on these. I just want you to have one. So go to www.simpletoncreation.com. Link in the video description. And now, back to the program. Now, this is a quick tip video, so let me show you how I tested these 3 blades, and then you can decide for yourself if you need one. For the first test, I'm cutting a basketball backboard out of an old 3/4 inch IKEA plywood desktop. I use the speed cutter. I'm only going to rough cut it outside of my line, and then I'm going to make a cleaner exact cut using the bandsaw. This blade does a good job of ripping through the board. The edges are rough and chipped, so don't expect clean cuts on plywood. I also tested it on a 1-inch thick piece of oak. It does cut through easily, but again, it's just a rough cut. The edges are not smooth. Now I'll test the steel curved blade. Wow, does that grab the wood? One clamp is not going to be enough to hold this board down. This blade removes material quickly. The teeth are very sharp. Now, how long they stay sharp? I don't know. Now I'll try leveling out this board using the flat blade. It does a pretty good job leveling off this piece of oak. I wonder how quickly it can cut all the way through this 1-inch thick piece of oak. Wow, that was pretty quick. I do have links in the video description for each of these 3 blades. They cost about $15 a piece, give or take. I'm Tom, this is Alley Picked, and thanks for watching today's quick tool tip.